number 1. Once again, Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Denise Tan. We are coming to you from the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Game 1 of the semifinal matchup between Sandogo and Ateneo. Of course, in the earlier semifinal matchup, if you missed it, it was a shocker, actually, because it was a straight sets win for Cagayan Valley over the defending champion Philippine Army. In a game where a lot of people might say that the Philippine Army looked rather flat.
And yeah, you're right. No, it's a shocker because it's a straight set victory.
Right. Taiwan with the dig. Here's Ferrer for Eliza Valdez on the push. Jeng Boli all over the place. Roses. Here's Ferrer. Valdez, long rally here. Ferrer drops it in.
She put an end to that rally.
Well, she has scored 2 of the 6 points of Ateneo. That's not good news. If you're Ateneo, you take a look at it again. Looks like Jen Ferrer was going to go back to Eliza Valdez and just pushed it across. Alice Nakachi will see her first action, replacing May Tajima as the center for Ateneo. Marge Tejada. That one goes long, and Shobe sort of used her face to feel, is it going to go long?
I know.
Dapat naman tumalon.
So, you can hear Roger Graham, bakit ka tumalon?
Hindi pa raw siya pagod eh.
17-6. Boli jump serve. And it goes long as well.
The jump servers actually.
Medyo may kalamigan ngayon dito sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium.
First Hervasio, then Tejada, now Jeng Boli.
Eliza. Here's Boli going to Benting. Nice dig by Hervasio. Goes to the other side though. Di Makulangan for Benting once again, tipping it over. De Jesus on the stretch. Here's Hervasio. Rhea one more time. Running attack for Sue Roses. Kept alive by Ateneo.
That's right, good coverage there.
And now across for Benting. Joust time. Ferrer wins that one. Here's Ferrer going to De Jesus. And still alive.
Scrappy play.
And Rhea. Whoa, good read by Lazaro. De Jesus. Good read by Roses. Wow, Rhea De Makulangan just angled that away from Nakachi.
That's right. You know that veteran move by Rhea De Makulangan. Ginulangan niya si Nakachi.
Also another former finals MVP. She was still playing for UST. Hervasio got in the way of that one. It was intended for Lazaro. Hervasio gives it up. Here's the down the middle attack from Nene Bautista.
So if you're a setter or if you're Rhea De Makulangan, you're in a good spot, a good place because you can implement any play, these players that you've got. You have Nene Bautista, Suzanne Roses, and
Nakita mo yun ha? That was down the middle for Nene. Tumatakbo si Suzanne Roses doon sa gilid. Nasa open pa si Benting. So, ang dami mong options. Here's Valdez. Shobe. Could not get to that one.
That's right. No help defense or support defense by Angie Benting.
Well, usually, you know, when Crisostomo gets to the ball, she doesn't really need any help.
That's true.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Across for Nene. Misses. Oh, it was on the line.
Yeah, it did.
Looks like it missed from our angle, but the linesmen have a better view, of course. So 20-8. Di pa yata pinapawisan si Suzanne Roses dito.
Oo nga eh.
Lazaro. Ferrer. Hervasio. Blocked there by Utaywan. One more time around for Ateneo. They go to Hervasio once again. Off Utaywan this time. And that reception by Rhea De Makulangan goes out.
9 serving 12. Ateneo's got to string up a couple of points here.
Well, let's see if Nakachi can get it done on her serve. Boy, Nakachi played like a libero yesterday against FEU or against Cagayan Valley. Utaywan, 3-5 spike.
He's just so huge there, that front row.
Uy, best player namin yung kahapon, si Utaywan. Then we got an interpreter to help us in Jeng Boli. Jeng answered for her. Hindi nagsalita si Utaywan at all. Double attack was read there by Boli. Another point for Sandogo. Marley Tupat calls a timeout. Way behind ng Ateneo dito. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, the Open Conference is now in the semifinal round, and you can watch for absolutely free. Just visit any of our Shakey's branches in the Makati, Manila area. For every 500 peso purchase, you get a free general admission ticket. And the more you buy from Shakey's, the more tickets you can get to enjoy the action in the semifinal round of the Shakey's Open Conference. You could probably get a glimpse of Denise Tan while you're here too. Here is Ella De Jesus, still scoreless in this match. Bowley across. Here's Hervasio going to the elevator, and Ella will miss again.
Well, Ella De Jesus intimidated there by the presence of Utaywan.
Who wouldn't be?
I know. And then that's why look at that front row of Sandogo. You have Utaywan, you have Jeng Bowley, you have Nelly Bautista.
Wow.
Average height of?
About 5'10", maybe. Bowley sends that backwards. Here's De Jesus, dug up by Shobe. Quick set for Utaywan, and Utaywan will use the hand of Tejada to score.
Oh no, they call it out.
Oh, they called it out, so hindi nakialam si Tejada doon.
Nakialam yung net.
Nakialam yung net, 23-10. Ella De Jesus. Here's the combination for Bowley. Great block there by Hervasio.
That's right, great read by Hervasio and Tejada.
Yan, kulang na kulang sa height itong Ateneo. But if they can just time it well, like si Hervasio did,
Right,
it worked well.
all over that.
De Jesus, Crisostomo, di makulangan for Bautista, and a violation at the net against Tejada. Or is it Eliza? It looks like Eliza.
Yeah,
Tatawagan.
Eliza.
Ang layo ka agad ni Eliza sa net. Fleeing the scene of the crime.
That's right.
Set point here for Sandogo. Ferrer, quick set to Tejada. Tejada keeps it alive. Ferrer now going to Eliza. Off the block, Benting is there. Utaywan will set now for Bowley. Ferrer on the dig. Hervasio across for Eliza Valdez.
That's right, she goes for that angle and eludes the blockers.
And again, Eliza did not play also yesterday. In fact, 7 players lang ang nagsuta para sa Ateneo.
So when are you gonna tell us about
Later.
Jeffrey?
Later. And that one will go in. Pag may mahaba-habang time, matatapos na yata yung set. Tignan natin kung makakahabol pa rito ang Ateneo. 24-13. Hervasio. Here's the jump serve. Received by Benting. Bowley. And Lazaro cannot keep it in. And the first set is a breeze for Sandogo as they take it by 12. 25-13 against Ateneo. Let's take a look at our Shakey's shake and play right here.
That's right, and after a good service reception, Jeng Bowley just finishes it.
We will be back. Stay with us.